Finally, we take a nature escape to the beautiful Manoa Falls. This paradise is nestled in the heart of Oahu, where a short hike through the lush rainforest unveils a breathtaking spectacle. The trail to the falls, framed by vibrant green foliage and the sweet scent of tropical flowers, is an adventure in itself, accessible for most fitness levels. As you venture deeper into the rainforest, the sound of the city fades and is replaced by the symphony of nature. A chorus of native birds singing, the rustle of leaves in the wind, and the distant murmur of the falls ahead. The climax of this journey is the stunning Manoa Falls. At a height of 150 feet, this waterfall cascades down a vertical cliff into a small pool, creating a picturesque scene straight out of a fairy tale. For nature lovers, this is a perfect spot for a quick escape. As we wrap up our journey, let's take a moment to reflect on the diverse experiences that Oahu offers. From the golden sands of Waikiki Beach, where surfers ride the waves against the backdrop of the iconic Diamond Head, to the solemn history of Pearl Harbor and the USS Arizona Memorial, Oahu is a place of contrast. The island's natural beauty is on full display at Diamond Head State Monument, where a hike up the crater rewards you with panoramic views of Honolulu and the Pacific Ocean. Then there's Hanauma Bay Nature Preserve, a paradise for snorkelers and a protected haven for an abundance of sea life. The North Shore, with its massive winter waves, lures surfers from around the globe, but it's not just about the surf. Watching the professionals take on these gigantic waves is a thrilling experience in itself. Immersing yourself in the rich heritage of the Pacific Islands at the Polynesian Cultural Center and exploring the stunning landscapes of Kualoa Ranch offer a taste of the diverse cultures and natural beauty of Oahu.